What's going on? So today we got a video from Coffee and Donuts, and the title of the video is he steals a trooper's police car and taunts them over the radio. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Southbound 75.
Oh, he in the police car right now?
Captain Baptist passing the 8. No traffic. He's left the center. Speed 68. Speed's 85. No traffic. We have oncoming traffic. They pulled over. We're past them. Passing Valley Road.
It's tough talking on the radio.
No, southbound still.
Okay.
We just pulled into the gas station. Headed back to 772. I'd say we're going northbound. Headed northbound.
He can hear you on the radio. So it's tough.
Going on first.
Get them off our radio.
See?
We can't stop. Radio traffic's coming from car 391 for unit 391.
Okay.
Taking out everything. City of Joe Coffee. There's 2 cruisers behind me. Attention. Let's say there's 2 cruisers behind that one. Pull over. You guys stop it!
This guy is an idiot.
We're still northbound at the 13th.
Boy, enjoy your last couple of minutes of freedom, because it's a wrap.
Speed's 100. Left the center again, no traffic. Speed's 90.
I ain't set up the spikes yet. What are we doing?
Huntington Lane, Patton Road, Cooks Hill. We're coming up on the bridge. I'm backing down.
RU's backing down behind him.
Coming across the bridge in Cooks Hill. Our units are back at there. 1 p.m. to back it down a little bit.
Was that the spikes? That was probably the spikes.
He's stopping.
Oh, yeah.
Show me your hands! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car now!
I got a seatbelt on me, sir.
How many people are in there with you?
It's me, sir.
Get out of the car!
I fucking can't. I
Reach in with your right hand and unbuckle the seatbelt and then bring it back out.
shoot, man.
Reach in with your right hand, unbuckle the seatbelt, and bring it back out. Climb out the window.
He said climb out the
Get on the
window.
ground. Now. Don't move.
I'm not gonna fucking.
Put your hands behind your back.
My hands are behind my back. You guys, look. The hospital. Something's going on at the hospital, man. You guys.
What are you doing?
The hospital will not see me, man.
Don't fight back.
Huh?
Don't move. Do not move. Do not move.
I won't move. I'm not moving.
Yes, Tommy.
No. They kicked me out of the hospital, man.
So you take a cop car? What are you doing?
Dude, I told him I've been up for 4 days, man.
I don't care how long you've been up.
Matter it.
He's secured.
I told him I need to see mental health,
Okay.
brother. I told
So
him
you
that.
steal a cop car.
Brother, it's the only thing running.
Why didn't you stop when I turned my lights on when I got behind you?
Dude, there was 2 cops behind me the whole time,
You
dude.
think? You just stole a cop car.
There should have been a lot more cops behind me, dude.
I don't need
Dude,
more because I got you.
I know, dude, I know I'm a dude.
We can throw them on if you want. We'll switch cuffs.
The
Yeah,
post, I can
yeah,
go
you're
to
coming to
the
the post with me.
I can't go to the post.
You can.
You are.
That's where you're going.
I can't go to the post, bud.
Yeah,
There's no one there. No one will let me in.
I'm gonna be there. Let's go.
Come on, buddy.
Let's go.
Buddy.
I'm gonna need next available for 1065. Try penalize.
You want yours, Amon?
This is a waste of time. He gonna get 2
Yeah, he
months
did.
probation.
To save my life, dude.
You didn't knock on our door? You didn't say, hey, I need help?
You want to change
Did I knock on the door?
Yeah. You came over to the police department, you knock on the door and say, hey, I need help? No, you stole a car, so.
Shine your light on there.
One killer, what's 39?
Stand by. Let's go. Don't.
I'm not trying to, brother. My dude.
You got anything on you?
I think I might have a needle in my pocket, dude. Man,
course.
I don't know if I still got it on me or not.
I didn't feel a needle, but he want to search him real quick.
Yeah, it'd be one of my front pockets.
You want to call my lieutenant for me? No. I don't think Morel wants to call him either. I was on the phone.
I figured.
Lean back. You have the right to remain silent. Stand your rights.
Yes.
All right.
Can
What are we doing?
Dude, I've been up. Look, I was at the hospital yesterday. Was up 4 days. All right. Still have not been asleep.
That's no
Going
excuse to
through
steal a
divorce.
car.
Look, dude.
Brother, I've been through a divorce too. I didn't steal a cop car.
Dude, it's cold outside. I'm
I get
middle of
that.
nowhere. Other than that,
Why didn't you stop when I turned my lights on then?
to be honest, brother,
You weren't getting away.
I wasn't trying to get away. I really
You
wasn't.
weren't?
I was trying to get back to town.
You weren't trying to get away?
Hell no,
You didn't stop for me.
brother. Dude, I
Let me
don't
tell you
trust.
something. Let me tell you something.
I'm not trying to
tell you
get over on
something.
you. Okay.
If you pulled over when I turned my lights on, this is, I'm not going to tell you it's minuscule. It's still a felony,
Yeah.
but it's RSP. It's grand theft. You stole a car. Now you've got felony fleeing and eluding. You got all this. Now I got flat tires on my trooper patrol car. You're going to have to pay for that. You dug a way deeper hole than you had to dig. When I flipped them lights on, if you pulled over
If they would have let me,
and we got you out of that car, I'd have put you in handcuffs.
I would have been all right.
I
Brother.
can't help that. That's still not an excuse to steal a cop car and run from me when I turn my lights on. That ain't it.
Other than that, it's just because I no other reason but oh, dude, I don't have a coat on.
You think I was gonna let you freeze when I turn my lights on?
I don't know, dude.
No, I'm not gonna let you freeze. I'm not gonna let you die. But you can't steal my car.
I know. I
And
know.
not stop
I'm not
for me.
saying I did right, brother.
Oh, we definitely
I know.
didn't do
I'm
right.
Not, I know.
Man to man, grown man to grown man. We both know that wasn't the right move.
I know it wasn't.
Here's the deal, man. If you would have just knocked on our door, we would have got you help. All you gotta do is
I
knock
tried
on
to
the door.
stop a couple cars, and they just kept going.
You could have
dude.
walked to my front door of my post, came inside, rung the doorbell. One of us would have came and talked to you, and we'd have got you the help you needed. Like that.
Dude, my legs. I'm not trying to keep giving excuses, but I've really been on 5
Well,
days, dude. I'm fucking
well,
tired.
If you ain't trying to keep giving excuses, then don't give excuses. Because that's what you're doing. But this, like I said, this is a waste of time. He's going to get 2 months probation. Call it a day. You know they don't get no time and nothing for anything that they do nowadays. Nothing. They don't get no time, no punishment, no nothing. Let's see what happens. Hopefully at the end they say how much time he actually gets. But I'm thinking he gets 2 months probation.
Tired and hungry.
You're not sleeping anytime soon now. You're stuck with me for the foreseeable future now. And then I'm going to have to take you to jail. Then you'll be stuck there for Lord knows how long. This wasn't the move. You know it wasn't the move. I
It
don't.
wasn't to move.
I don't understand why you
Listen,
didn't stop when I
I'm
turned.
not-
I'm just telling, man. If
I'm
you
not
just
the
stop
one
when I
to
turn
say-
my lights
listen,
on.
Listen. I didn't run for no other reason but to get warm, dude. No other reason.
If you would, when I turn my lights on, if you pulled over, you'd be in the same position you're in right now with less charges, still be warm. And now here we are.
But listen, I felt like I was going to lose my life out there in the open, dude.
Why'd you feel like you were gonna lose your life?
It was cold out here, dude. No coat. Are you cold?
I'm freezing right now.
That's why I hopped in the car, brother.
You could have knocked on our door.
You could have knocked on the
I
door.
wish I would have, dude.
We'd have got you
I do
help.
wish I would've.
We wouldn't have just told you to leave.
This car was sitting out there.
Hell, if
running,
you'd have knocked
so
on
I-
my front door and came in, I probably went and bought you something to eat if you were hungry. Now we gotta do all this.
I don't know why they're treating me like this, dude. Like, I didn't do nothing.
Why am I
That
treating
shit.
you like
no,
this?
Everyone else, like the hospital. I went there last night.
I can't help the
know you-
hospital. I'm
I
not
know.
the hospital. I'm the state patrol.
I know. But I just wanted to see. I wanted to see a psych ward, dude. That's all. That's it, dude. I'm going through a course. I want to see a psych doctor. That's it. I got drug addiction problem and mental health problem, brother. That's it.
Okay.
I'm hearing shit.
Well, we'll see what we can do, but you're stuck with me for a while now. We got some paperwork to do. You and I are going to get rolling. And we're going to go back to the post. And we got a long night ahead of us.
We gotta go to the post. No.
Yeah, we got to go to the post.
Why?
Because you are under arrest. Where else do you think I'm going to take you?
The post ain't got medical attention, brother. Please don't take me back out by that hospital.
I'm taking you to my post. That is where we're going. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
Okay. I don't understand why, though.
Why?
Why are you
Because
still
you stole
talking
my
to him?
car and made me
but
chase you
I understand I
from
should
the
go
city
to jail.
of Chillicothe
I understand I should go
to
to
Pike
jail.
County, and then Pike County back to the city of Chillicothe.
I understand I should go to jail.
You're
I
going to
understand.
jail.
I know that.
But you're going to my post first. Because I got paperwork to do. I got to write charges. I got to do a case on this. So we're going to the post first, and then you'll go to jail when I'm done. Make sense?
I don't, dude.
All
I
right.
guess.
We're going to my post. We're going to sit there. I'm going to do my stuff, and then I'm going to bring you to jail once I charge you. Make sense?
I guess it never worked like that before with me.
Okay, that's how it works tonight.
Yeah. Theft without consent. Failure to comply with order signals from a police officer. Yeah. That's it. 2 months probation. You know how that go. I think the officers did a pretty good job, though. I was wondering where the hell everybody was because there wasn't that many officers chasing them. But now they were setting up posts, setting up the spikes. Okay, I'm like, all right, now it makes sense. Because in the beginning, I'm like, damn, where everybody at? They ain't got no spikes. They ain't got no nothing. But they got to it, though. They eventually did their thing. So that was pretty good. I give them 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. Pretty good. How well do you think the officers did, though? You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comment section.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.